I can't believe, guys, we are back again to another video. If you didn't watch my other videos, please make sure I'll pin down below kuti muonere ma videos amene ndipo guys ineyo support yanu ndikumayamikira kwambiri ndiso ndikumaona anthu mukumapanga share zinthu zimene zimatani kodi zumakhala zobeba. Come on, guys. Yeah, so ngani yathu mwaona kale title tifuna tikambirane za gwambizo. Sindudzazono zoti gwambizo kandi chitumbuka kaya. I don't know kandi chiao gwambizo. Yeah, it's a good name by the way. Gwamba. Yeah, so Gwamba mama analemba poster kuno zoti Team Gwamba. Good morning. I'm so excited about the music video that I'm dropping on Monday. It's coming Monday. I haven't been this excited in a while. My brother Masco did an amazing job, and as always, Sukes and his team did very great too. We all know that BFB can do. We all know what BFB can do. I also have to say we spent about 3 million kwacha on this music video. Jesus Christ, making it the most expensive video I've ever shot in Malawi. Ngani nambira bati pamenepo. So on 28 June, that's this coming Monday, 10 a.m. get ready. This one is for you. Oh! Paste link. So guys, right now, if ngati simpanga follow Gwamba, go follow Gwamba and go and check the link. Ngati muli ndi YouTube mfoni mwanu, set a reminder. Kuda akapanga premium mungolanda akabelo kacha ngwi ine kudoko panopanda tani kodi ndapanga kale set a reminder kuti video akangopanga premium, I'll be the first person to watch and dance. Just as he said, it's gonna be an amazing video. It's gonna be a beautiful, glamorous, everything is gonna be on point. I can't wait kuti ndionere video ya gwambizo. Yes! Yeah, so physics anavanga comment akuno zoti I had a chance to watch this video inclusively. I endorsed it. Is this what English? I must say it's lit, guys. Trust me on this one. Great work, bro. Gwamba. Zimene afizo ayakola. Then yeah, Gwamba anapanga reply. Thank you so much, brother. That's all. Yeah, so muntu wina madziwa Malawi atu amacha kupanga kuti bweretsa nkhani zopanga zofuna kumsokoneza muntu akuna zoti that meant it's only Tigrin who shoots expensive music videos in Malawi. Koma guys, to be honest, Malawi mwindi photo guys. Chifa inesindi tozono zoti even my comment ena amene mabweretsa pankani sizimakhala zoti sizugwiza, and I don't understand who the hell started this thing, and I don't know guys. Chifa mabezo zoti mukatenga nkhani zoti sizugwiza ndi the story simtozono zoti makhala chili chani guys. Koma I think Malawi tikuena zono zoti sinthe guys, this is not live. Yeah, so Gwamba anayanka anapanga reply kuno zoti ndi momwe modi Kena kunkuzamu yaka kuti Gwamba green in the elder bro. Yeah, so we don't know guys. This has created tension and it's a trending topic Yeah, I think you just have to see it. Yeah, so Umata Day, Children Africa, cheers wherever you are. And I'm going to after Gwamba emptied his bank account 2 weeks ago, now I could watch the video song Waimba ndi maskal yomwe ituluke Monday pa 28 June and spent about 3 million kwacha. This is just a good news though. Anthu akudabwa kuti ku banki kulibe kanthu pa anthu akudabwa kuti ku banki kulibe kanthu pano nde 3 million yachoka kuti mafunso opanda mayankho achuka. Anyways, akuti ndi video yokwiya. Let's keep our bundles ifike 1 million views on YouTube Monday kuyaka kuti ndenkani zake ndeno ena akuti imadzuwa anthu kuyankhula amatha kuyankhula kwambiri koma we don't care, we don't mind. The only thing that we mind is that Gwambizo is releasing a music video this coming Sunday and we're going to watch and enjoy. You should enjoy, we should enjoy. Yeah, so paliso post imene inabangidwa pamigoza kuna zoti, did you fly a maskal to Malawi for your music video? Fans questions Gwamba after announcing that he spent 3 million kwacha on his next music video featuring maskal on Monday. Lots of nonsense comments down below. Matwa, just as you said, Malawi, they have problem. Yeah, so today for you video to Terabompano, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, give it a dislike. But most importantly, leave a comment down below and share the link to Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, and follow me on Facebook. My name is just right here, and also the same name is on Instagram. Follow me, your small boy Dixon. As for now, I leave you as always. Cheers and God bless. Bye.